Changing your profile picture on LinkedIn is a straightforward process that can help you maintain a professional online presence. Follow these steps to update your profile picture easily. Step 1. Log into LinkedIn. Open your web browser or LinkedIn app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top of the home page, then select View Profile from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on your profile picture. On your profile page, locate your current profile picture. Click on it, and a menu will appear with options to change or edit your photo. Step 4. Upload a new photo. Select the option to upload a new photo. You can choose to upload an image from your device or select one from your existing photos if applicable. Make sure the image meets LinkedIn's guidelines for profile pictures. Step 5. Adjust and save. After uploading, you can adjust the cropping and positioning of your new photo. Once satisfied, click Save to update your profile picture. Now your LinkedIn profile picture is updated. Regularly refreshing your profile can help keep your professional image current and engaging.